Hi, James Hayes with Don's Appliances, and today we're going to be talking about why you might want a convertible refrigerator freezer. I think the big thing realistically is there's not a lot of all refrigerator options. So if you're a customer that's looking for a lot of fresh food, like storage in an overflow kind of area away from your main refrigerator, not a ton of options for that. So units like these will give you that flexibility. You have this option right here to convert back and forth. They're garage ready, so you can kind of place this anywhere and you're going to be okay. And then they're available in sizes from 14 cubic foot, 17 or 21. So it's a lot of potential storage. On the inside, you can see there's a lot of options. You'll have storage on the doors, bins on the bottom, and then all the storage inside. And this is only a 17 cubic foot, so you can tack on another 4 cubic feet of that and have all that extra storage. I even have some customers that have bought 2 of them, and then they have a refrigerator and a freezer for overflow. And you're talking an extra 42 cubic feet of space potentially, for maybe $2,000, ballpark. That's a lot of extra storage. So if you're a customer that has a big family that can use that, and then specifically a lot of families are doing counter depth refrigeration in their main kitchen, which are anywhere between 19 and 24 cubic feet. That's not a ton of space. You could double that. Really, well, you're going to add 200% to that roughly, when you're going with something like this. So there's only a handful of brands that are really offering them, but we carry these Medeas in stock. We've been carrying them for years now, and they seem to be really good units. Stop into Don's Appliances or check them out on donsappliances.com.